Okay, guys, I just set this position for azimuth adjustment in the middle. So there is a pin, the white pin and white mark. So I just put them manually into the same position. Now I will be playing the tape. So let me adjust to see azimuth. So as you see, azimuth almost there, but a little bit off. So I like to make it precise. I mentioned that it's a little bit different from my other decks, and we will be using the right gear here to adjust playback azimuth. Okay, you see, oh, it was far, so it was in this position, and I had to adjust it right a little bit to make sure it will be on the same position, and 15 kilohertz. Okay. Now we have azimuth. It was just a little bit off, maybe like I did, like if using the clock, probably from 12 a.m. to 2 p.m. That's a very minor, and like it's almost not possible to hear the difference. Now let me select the tape. I like to have an azimuth, recording azimuth. Okay, putting the tape in. It's ESX tape, starting recording, and I need to add generator tone. So connecting generator, and let me do 2 volts and 10 kilohertz for the start. It should be enough. Okay, let's me do the. Okay, let me do levels. Recording mode. It's a bit too big. Okay, 10 kilohertz. It's too much. We need to do at least minus 10 decibel for this level, for this frequency. Or better minus 20 because it's just chrome tape. So recording, switching to the tape. You see azimuth a little bit off. So we will be using gear here on the left. Azimuth motor doesn't work now. So you see, going down, biggest, and going down again. So here the biggest level. And here you see adjustments. We may make it even. So that's even level. Oh. Okay, let's do 1 kilohertz and let's set the levels so that will be equal. Okay, so that's the source, that's the tape. A little bit, so we will validate our calibration unit. Okay, it's very sensitive. Okay, we have it on 1 kilohertz. Now I will go to 15 kilohertz. So source tape. Okay, it cannot handle 10 decibel. Let's do minus 20. Okay, minus 10 was too much. Let's do minus 20. Let's again go to 1 kilohertz. You see, we may more precisely adjust levels. So, source, let's do it minus 20, like that. Oops. Okay, you see it's minus 20 now. Now, tape, and I will be using these guys to adjust precisely the same. Okay, so source, tape, good. And now we will go to 15 kilohertz and check the bias. So it should be the same. So adjusting bias, left channel and right channel. Done. Source, tape. A little bit too much. Okay, source, tape. Oh, my tape is finished. Okay, let's rewind. It does it quickly. As you see, I'm installed LED light. Have a nice white light here and exclude any heating. How quick and quiet it rewinds. Okay, let's try again. So let's go to 1 kilohertz. Okay, this tape is different. So source, tape. Okay, let me adjust the tape. We adjusted bias, that's why it's gone a little bit. Okay, now 15 kilohertz. And we just need to reduce a little bit on the left channel. Okay, so source, tape, good. Now we can stop, we can calibrate and check the levels. So you see, it's almost there, is blinking, so I can adjust this blinking, it's no problem. And 15 kilohertz, you see the generator is a little bit wrong. So that's where I need to adjust it a little bit. Not considering service manual instructions that we measure it voltage, millivolts, adjuster, still you see it's different. It will record more high frequencies than needed. So I will be adjusting it on the indicator. First of all, I need to adjust like levels to be on the 0. So there is 2 separate posts for that. So let me adjust it. But you understand the idea, right? And then we will connect our Azimuth motor back and it should be perfect after that. Okay. Now let me check. Let me record again. And you see levels are there. 15 kilohertz source, tape, maybe a little bit less on the tape. Okay, like that. So sensitivity of the tape is not very stable on these frequencies. But you see azimuth. This is recording azimuth on 15 kilohertz. Oops, sorry. We need to increase the level. You see it's 15 right here, and it's 15 right here. Azimuth is very stable. And here is levels. Now you see a little bit further on the tape and level of one channel jumps a little bit, but it's fine. Okay. And you see sensitivity of the indicator here is wrong a little bit. Okay, now let me reset. Okay, it is all stored memory. Go back, and I will set up the levels, and then we check over again. But you got the idea, right? So we have Azimuth control board, which include generator and like indicator amplifiers. So there is like 2 ports, one for 400 Hz, one for 15 kilohertz, to set the level of the generators. And then there are ports for the indicator to adjust like left right channel separately on the low frequency and the high frequency. So that's it. Thank you. See you in the next parts.